Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to search for a specific message in a Telegram group on your PC, thanks to the new update. Let's dive right in. First, you need to open the Telegram app on your computer or use Telegram Web. If you haven't already installed the app, you can easily download it from the official Telegram website, or simply navigate to web.telegram.org for the web version. Once you're in, find and click on the group where you want to search for a message. This could be a group chat that you frequently use, so take a moment to locate it on your left-hand sidebar. Got it? Great. Now that you're in the group, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a magnifying glass icon. This is your search tool. Click on that icon to open the search bar. Next, type in the message or keyword that you're trying to find. It could be a specific phrase, or even just a word. As you type, Telegram will automatically filter and display the messages containing your search term. After entering your keyword, take a look at the results that appear. Scroll through to find the exact message you're looking for. Once you find it, simply click on that message and it will pop up, showing you the context in which it was sent. And there you have it. Searching for messages in Telegram groups on PC is that simple. With these easy steps, you can quickly locate any message you need. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.